Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back. This is Ved Patade and today we are going to study about the hormones secreted in human beings. So without doing any delay, let us begin our today's video. So before seeing the hormones, we need to see the secretions done by these hormones and what are the organs which secrete the hormones. So the glands are the organs which secrete the hormones. So let us see the definition of gland. A cell, a tissue or an organ which secretes useful chemical compounds required for a particular function, it's called as gland. There are two types of glands. The first one is the endocrine glands. These glands lacks ducts and they pass their secretions into the bloodstream for transport to the site of action and are called as endocrine glands. Friends, the secretions done by these glands are called as hormones. And the examples of these glands are pituitary gland, thyroid gland, pancreas, adrenal gland, etc. And the second types of glands are the exocrine glands. Actually, these glands have ducts and they discharge their secretions directly on the site of action and are called as exocrine glands. The examples of these glands are sweat glands, salivary glands, liver, gastric glands, etc. But in this video, we are going to study about the endocrine glands. So let us move on to the first endocrine gland, adrenal gland. Adrenal are the pair of glands which are situated on the upper side of each kidney. As you can see in the figure, they are situated on each kidney on the upper side. And the hormones secreted by this gland, it's called as adrenaline. It is also termed as emergency hormone. In normal situations, this hormone is secreted in small amount. However, when a person is in stress or danger, this hormone is secreted in large amount. Now let us see the functions of adrenaline hormone. It increases the heartbeat so that more oxygen is supplied to muscles. It regulates the blood pressure. It also controls the increase in breathing rate due to contraction of diaphragm and rib muscles. Then let us see the second gland which is involved in the endocrine glands. The second gland is the thyroid gland and it is the largest endocrine gland. It is situated in the neck region. The hormone secreted by this gland is called thyroxine. Iodine is essential for the synthesis or production of thyroxine. Now let us see the functions of thyroxine. The thyroxine regulates carbohydrates, fats, proteins and metabolism in the body. It regulates the rate of oxidation. It also regulates the production of energy, and the deficiency of iodine in the diet causes goiter, and the goiter causes the enlargement of thyroid gland. Swollen neck is one of the symptoms of goiter. The patients of goiter are prescribed by doctors to consume iodized salt in their diet. Now let us see the third gland, that is the pituitary gland. It is also called as the master gland. It is present just below the brain and it is in reddish grey color. It is a pea-shaped gland. The hormone secreted by pituitary gland is called as the growth hormone. Improper secretion of growth hormone can cause dwarfism, means deficiency of growth hormone, and second one, Gingivantism means excess secretion of growth hormone. Pituitary gland controls the secretion of sex hormones in males as well as in females. During puberty, the sex hormones are secreted in males and females. In males, a pair of testes are present and they secrete the male sex hormone called as testosterone. In females, a pair of ovaries lie in the abdomen and they secrete the female sex hormone called as the oestrogen and progesterone. Now let us see the last gland of our endocrine glands. The last one is the pancreas. Actually, the pancreas lies below the stomach. You can see in the figure actually. And the hormone secreted by this gland, it's called as insulin. Now let us see the functions of insulin. The most important function of the insulin is it helps in the digestion of sugar. It regulates the blood sugar level and keeps it under control. Deficiency of insulin hormone causes a disease called diabetes. And in this disease, a patient exerts sugar in urine, feels excessive thirst, and also does excessive urination. So friends, this was the study about our hormones secreted in human body. Please subscribe my channel, and I have provided some important notes in the description related to this topic. I request you to please refer those notes. Thank you for watching my video.